Hello friends, this is Dipti here and I am showing you how to create an activity or a resource, and this is the task 1 in the section of Moodle for beginner course, and task 2 for Moodle MOOC at BizIQ. For both these courses I am going to demonstrate how I have created activity or a resource in my Moodle course. So here I am in the section of welcome to the general practice area. I have logged in as Dipti Gupta. Here you can see I have logged in as Dipti Gupta. Earlier in this course, what I have done, I have taken a section that is here Dipti. This is my area, topic number 19. So I will just click into Dipti. This is my sandbox. Okay. Now scrolling down, as you can see, this is my area Dipti and my sandbox, which I have already started creating, and I have added one of the resource, that is a book. My topic is open educational resources. Okay, so I will show you how I will add one more resource to my section. So scrolling up, what I will do, I will edit my editing on, turn editing on so that I can act as a teacher. Okay, now again scrolling down, I can see I can add any activity or a resource. So by clicking onto activity and resource, I found various activity and resources here. So among these, I will show you how to add a wiki activity over here. Okay, so I have clicked on to wiki, add it to my sandbox. Here, what will be the wiki name? So I will write it down. Open educational resources in teacher education. As I belong to the family of teacher educators, so I want an activity, that is to create a wiki page naming open education resources in teacher education. Okay, so I will write out the description what I want. Please write how OER can be used in teacher education. So I want the opinion of some educationists like you all are, that how OER can be used in teacher education. Okay, this I want. I want a description on my course page. I want a collaborative work. First page name. OER in teacher education. Now coming on to format, that will be HTML, the most common one. And the common model setting, visible, I want show all the no groups has to be formed. Restrict area, this I don't want to enable. Activity completion, I want show activity as complete when conditions are met. Then students must be the activity to complete it. That means I want every student to complete the activity. I will save it and display it. Let's see how it looks like in my GPA. Okay, that is please write how OER can be used in teacher education. Then the page is entitled as OER in teacher education. I will format it as HTML page only, format only, and let's see how the page is created. So here is the page, HTML format, tags, and the tag. The page will look like this. Any of the participant can write about OER in teacher education. Then they can tag some keywords. I want it to be saved. I will save it. Okay, so here is the page created. There are no tags till now. So if someone wants to edit it, they can go into edit. Okay, and start writing. Like here again, same thing. You can comment on it. You can see history and all. Okay, so this is how an activity has been added in my sandbox, that is Zipty, where I want the participants to create a wiki page on OER in teacher education here. So here is my one resource, that is OER. The basic concept of OER has been presented in this book form. And the activity I will mention, I want a wiki page has to be created by a participant. Okay, and that is all. Thank you.